Hello guys, welcome again for another great YouTube video. Remember, my name is Sil and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today I decided to make this video in order to help some of you to make a great YouTube thumbnails and do that for free. So I currently am using a free website which has some great YouTube thumbnails templates completely done that you can customize very easily. And the best thing is that it's for free. You even don't have to create an account. So yeah, before that, I want to ask you for a little favor. Please don't forget to go below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click on the bell notification to be updated for every new video I will post on this channel. So I just say let's dive in. All right, so before we go on the website, I will share my screen and see you the kind of thumbnails I've been able to make with this website. And yeah, we're gonna see together. So let's share it. So here is my YouTube channel. So as you can see, there are some great thumbnails that I've been able to make with this website. You know, I'm not a YouTube professional, but those thumbnails looks pretty good. I think it's pretty good. It's eye-catching, yeah. So you can do the same thing, and you can do even better thumbnails than what I. All right, so I was saying this is the thumbnail. To see it even better, I'm gonna go on my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna go here. Now I'm just showing you what I've been able to do, and after that we're gonna just jump on the website to see it together. So yeah, as you can see, this is the thumbnails that I've been able to make with this website. Great color, great, and all these things completely free, and it's pretty easy to do. I know that a lot of people are using Canva to make the YouTube thumbnails, and I also use it. By the way, I've used it to make this one, but I think that this website is, for me, it's even better than Canva because you have a lot of choices. You can do a lot of things. In fact, I don't just use this website for my YouTube post video, but I also use for my Facebook post. So let's just go to the website. Here is the website. The website is called Poster My Wall. Poster My Wall. It's completely free to use. So this website, I will put the link in the description in order for you to check it for yourself. So when you want to design any thumbnails or any image or whatever it is, you know, you have in with this website completely done thumbnails that you can be using right now. So for me, when I want to do for YouTube, I just come here and I search YouTube. You can do the same thing for Facebook. You know, you can do this for Facebook. So now we are on YouTube, and yeah, once you've done that, we're gonna wait a few moments. So you have here a lot of completely free thumbnails that you can adjust, adapt, customize for your video. So everything is already making for your video size. So it's completely free. So we're gonna do an example together in order for you to really see how it works. And I know you will be able to do a great one with this website. So for example, let's say I'm gonna take this video, this thumbnail. Yes, it's eye-catching. Yeah. Let's say I'm gonna add my own video, my own picture. So the only thing you really need to, you're gonna see it pretty easy. So here you can move stuff, you know, wow, amazing. You can move stuff, you can change, you can also do Ctrl Z in order for you to come back on what you have just moved. So now this is what I'm doing right now. So in order for you to modify the text, you just click on it. You can say, gonna write here, YouTube. Let me capital letter, YouTube video. Yeah, channel for YouTube video. So you know, you see everything here. You can move it, you can change it, you can reshape it. If you want change, let's say you can delete this picture, you can add your own picture, you can take it from your computer, you can upload. Now I have some picture right here, but you can upload your own pictures from your computer if you want. And the other cool thing with this website is that you can also have some free pictures from stocks. You know, it's completely free and you don't have to go to a website such as Pixel, download and come back here, upload. You can already go right there. So you have story blogs, you have Pixel, so the only thing you have to do is just to make a research on the kind of image you want to do. Let's say I want to take a smile, someone with smile. So now I'm with Getty image. Those images aren't free, so I'm going to come with Storyblok. You know, you have tons and tons of completely free images that you can use for your web, for your thumbnail. It's completely free. So this is the website. You can design any amount of thumbnail you want. So for me, I will put my own picture right now. So yeah, I love that one. Okay, just click on add. The picture is here. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. See, I'm gonna take, okay, you know, the girl has been able to make her picture. She double it. It's completely possible to do such thing like that. I really love that. So for me, I will just use the background of her picture. You know, it's completely easy for you to customize, do whatever you want. You can stretch any image. So yeah, gonna do that together and we're gonna see the final image. All right, we are almost there. Almost there. Almost there. See her hand. Yeah, now I'm done. You know, I've just used a previous image and now, you know, I have a completely really good and done image for my YouTube video. But don't worry, I'm not gonna use this one. I'm just using for example, so you can customize your own image. But yes, that's just the things you need to do. If you want to increase the size of the text, you can do that here. You can also change the font, whatever you want to have. You can change it right here. You can change the color. So it's completely free, completely easy for you to do. So you can do a lot of things if you want to add text. So I will let you just discover all those options. So my goal was to show you this website that I'm currently using, and I think that it can really help you to design very good pictures. So the last thing I want to show you is the glow. You know, you can put the glow on your image. You have light and strong glow. You see what is made on my picture? Completely amazing. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So sorry, the last thing for you to do is to save. Don't forget to save, guys. And once you done that, you can download. If you see it, you have a watermark, but when you will download the image, it's completely without any watermark. You can have your own account in order for you to save all the job you will just be doing. So let's check the image. Yes, completely done. No watermark, really, and willing and able to go on my YouTube channel. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video is going to help some of you to make some great YouTube thumbnails. So as I said, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I say you bye bye. It was soon. Take care.